To schedule posts using Buffer, go to buffer.com and create an account. They have a few levels to help you get started, including one that's free. Explore the options and pick the one that's right for you. To post using Buffer, use the Design Editor tool and select Post or Export. In the drop-down, select Buffer. If you've connected to Buffer already, you will see the different social channels you have available. In this case, I have Facebook and Instagram. My caption is also here too. I can edit anything in here, and then before I push it if I want to make a change. I can also choose to post now, which would post this to my feed right away, or I can schedule a post. Scheduling posts in Buffer would put this in line for the next available posting spot. That's a pre-made calendar that I made when I onboarded with Buffer. I can also send posts to Buffer in this panel here on the post page. I can choose Schedule, which will automatically take me to the Design Editor and bring open the export window. From here, I can select Buffer and post just the same way I can from the Design Editor.